In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a really simple DIY hologram using some very basic filming, a little Perspex pyramid that you can buy online, and a simple PowerPoint application. This is me as a hologram. Welcome to a DIY future. So I'm going to show you how to make a little hologram for the Perspex pyramids in PowerPoint. So you don't even need to use any video editing software. You can do it all in PowerPoint. So the first thing we need to do is just on the first slide, just use one slide for the entire thing. I'm going to right click to format the background, and I'm just going to make the background color. To insert video, so it's insert to the top, along to the right, and we've got insert from this device, and this is the little WhatsApp video. Me saying,
This is me as a hologram. Welcome to a DIY future.
So what we need to do is I need to crop it tighter around my head. So I'm going to do that by literally, I've got the video open up here, the right side crop, and we're just going to bring it in. That's enough. Just gonna yes. Edit the video. I'm just gonna play with contrast. I want to play it there. What I'm trying to do is make that background match the background of the so yeah, you can see there the background of the slide pretty much matches now the background video, or should I say the other way around? Made the background of the video same. So I'm just going to get this, and so for the pyramid, there are two ways of doing it. If you're just showing it and you just want to one of the faces of the pyramid shown because everybody's looking at it from the same angle, which is pretty much the best way of doing it, then you actually only need one of these, and probably make it about roughly about that big, just a little over halfway, and then when you play it, you would put the pyramid. Hopefully you can see the cursor. You place the pyramid there, and the face would come on there. In fact, so what you would and put it there. And when you play, put the pyramid on the screen there. My face should appear on it. But if you want to do it for each side, then you have to do something a little bit more complicated. And that's what I'm going to show you, because if you can do the complicated one, you can do the much more simple one. So I'm just going to, this is the first thing I need to do is create my 4 quadrants of the pyramid. And the easy way to do this is I'm going to insert a X. My X here, and I'll bring it down to here. A couple of things I need to do with the X. I need to make sure that it's a square. So again, in the top right hand corner, I'll just make it 18 by 18. So there's height, and now that's exact square. I need to make it much skinnier, so I click on the yellow and zoom out. So I'll get that. And then I need to make it sure it's in the center of my slide. So I just align, again, go to align center, and then press align again, middle. So that's where I want all my images to go. I now need to duplicate this devilishly handsome person, and I just click on the video, press Control V, and I'll make another one. Put that up here. I'm gonna spin it around. Spin me around. Okay. And as you can see, I'm now getting a little alignment, dotted lines, and so I can see it is aligned with the image below. But I just need something slightly down. So you can see it's touching the top of that image is touching the top of the slide. That's how I'm just going to align it. Duplicate one more time. Bring it to here. Do a spinsy spin. Action turn. Right. So now I can see that's in the middle of the X. And then finally I duplicate one more time. So whatever you want in terms of, yeah, that was pretty good. So if you want in terms of which way up you want it, because I want when the pyramid, when you look at it, I want my head to be facing the normal way. You make sure that whatever you want to be at the bottom of the pyramid is closest to the middle of the X. Makes sense? So I'm happy with that. I think that should work. I'm going to get rid of the X. And that's it, ready to go. All I need now to do is animate it and have some click. So I'm going to animate them. Just going to Control Shift on each one, and I want them all to add an animation. I'm going to get them to, I'll get them to fade in and start previous, and let's just see what that's like so far.
This is me as a hologram. Welcome to a DIY future.
So that is just one of them going, but that is fine. That's all I want. Stage. Let's check the previous.
This is me as a hologram. Welcome to a DIY future.
Quite terrifying. That's what we want, and that's it. So I now just export it. I'll say that's quit. Head. And that's it. So hopefully this, I'll download it, and this should be working on the phone any moment. Now you can always export the slide as a video, go File, Export, and create a video and do it that way. But yeah, there we go, and that's how simple it is to do. Thank you.